Pull your vendor objects from Jira Assets into Checkout to bidirectionally sync them for use within your procurement process. To begin, ensure that your site administrator has completed the global level Jira Assets and Checkout integration. Then, navigate to the Integrations tab under your Checkout project settings. If not already enabled, turn on Checkout's Jira Assets integration within this project. If already turned on, select the Configure button. Next, enable vendors for storage in Jira Assets. The next screen will prompt you to select a schema and object type underneath which your Jira Assets vendors reside. Once these are selected, the attribute mapping between Jira Assets and Checkout for your vendors can be configured. To complete this step, make sure that you have created corresponding attributes for this selected object type in Jira Assets for the required Checkout vendor attributes that are marked with an asterisk. Once you've completed your attribute mapping, select Save to complete the Jira Assets vendor integration. If you already have vendors created within your Checkout project, pulling vendor data from Jira Assets into Checkout will also take any vendors you've already created within your Checkout project and move them into Jira Assets instead. But don't worry, you'll still be able to see and update them within your Checkout project settings the same way you were before, as Checkout will always be able to pull in their data. Now, you can modify your vendors on either the Jira Assets side or on the Checkout side, and also tie them to your Checkout catalog items.